If you climb the stairs like this, or like this, or like this, only because you did not know how to look attractive and presentable doing so like this, then hit the subscribe button and join me in my today's video where I will teach you to climb stairs up and down to make heads turn. Stairs are everywhere: office, parties, hotels, presentation rooms, convention centers, restaurants. Yet, most women lack that feminine and powerful art of walking the stairs. How you enter or exit can command attention. Learn to do it the right way and the results will be positive. But continue to follow your old methods and you will never experience to own the room. I am Parmita, your friendly image coach, on a mission to help women find their power and rebuild an image that can transform the impression you always wanted to cast but didn't know how to. This knowledge is not something you get in schools and colleges. These are life skills that every woman needs, from high executive ranking woman to a woman who is nervous to go on a date, a woman who's restarting her life, and many more. If you see yourself as a part of this Blush With Me tribe, then welcome to Blush With Me. Let's talk about climbing down the stairs. Your whole foot needs to cover a stair. Although your whole foot covers a stair at a time, put your weight only on the ball of your foot. Heel of the foot that you're stepping forward with should be in line with the toe of your previous step. Now follow a rhythm and give your hips some time to sway and catch up after every step. Hold that railing delicately for safety. If the stairs are narrow, turn your foot at a diagonal angle but face forward towards your guests, your audience, your friends, your date, your colleagues. Make sure you hold that railing delicately, but walk with a purpose, like a queen, not feeling conscious. Now, before I tell you how to climb up the stairs confidently and elegantly, I have a very exciting announcement. This world can be a very difficult place for women, and I'm talking about women from executive rankings to professionals to mothers to women who are trying to find their life partners at any age. As a mother, I have struggled to rediscover that confidence myself too. And this is when I harnessed the best of my old self from what I had learned from those beauty passions from when I was Femina Miss India Asia Pacific, to those talk shows, to my acting career in front of the camera in Bollywood movies, hosting those live stage shows and working with some of the best photographers, makeup artists and designers around the world. And then I topped my batch of photographers at New York Film Academy. I recreated my identity as an image coach because I believe that every woman, however qualified in one field, can never on her own figure out how to be the best version of herself. This is where my services as an image coach help. I am very happy to share that I am coming up with something very powerful and exciting for all of you. Along with the NAS Academy team, I have worked very hard to bring you How to Be a Girl Boss workshop. This workshop will be held on February 17th at 5 p.m. Central Time. Everything I learned over the last 22 years, I want to share that with you in this 3-hour live workshop. By the end of this 3-hour workshop, you will have so much more clarity on shifting your mindset. You will not only learn to look different, but you will also start to think and feel differently about yourself. I will share the knowledge of understanding how to create or recreate your personal style. You will have a complete session on body language, and for those of you who are either scared or confused about being out there on social media, then you will learn how to create a personal brand confidently across social media and voice your message, your opinion, without any inhibition or self-judgment. I usually share these sessions over weeks and months with my one-on-one clients. But this is a great opportunity for all of us to come together to join me live and learn how to be a girl boss. You take refresher courses, right? When it comes to your education or your profession, not just your fields, you are evolving too, just like the whole world is. And yet you don't learn to be the best current version of yourself. I'm super excited for your transformations. There will be a lot of challenges and tasks that will be given to you during this workshop for you to complete even afterwards, so you can track the change your presence makes even after our workshop is over. We do have limited seats. I wish I could let everyone join, but this workshop is for those enthusiasts who have been waiting to join my consultations but didn't yet. Apart from that workshop, I will also be hosting a small webinar on walking with purpose. This webinar is on the 4th of February. This will give you a sneak peek into what more to expect during that actual workshop, which will be on 17th February 2022. Mark the date. In this webinar, I will show you two significant walks. One is the power walk and the other will be feminine walk. Both the links to the workshop and to the webinar are in the description below. Like I said, to see you transform and succeed is my goal. I cannot wait to see you during the workshop. Okay, so let's get back to climbing up the stairs. Now going up, this time your whole foot doesn't need to cover the whole stair. Walk up on the balls of your feet. Now cross your feet slightly. Again, heel of the foot that you're stepping forward with should be in line with the toe of your previous step. Again, give time for your hips to sway. This not only looks graceful and ladylike, but it also shifts your weight for you to take your next step more comfortably. Okay, so here is your homework for the day. Record yourself while you walk up or down the stairs the first time how you normally do, and then you record yourself again while you follow all the tips that you learned in today's video. Now, I want you to use these tips practically when you're out with your friends or you're on a date or you're walking into your office or into your workplace. Initially, remember to take a moment to remind yourself of the tips that you need to follow before you enter a room. Initially, it'll take a little bit of practice, but soon it'll become a habit, just a muscle memory to gracefully climb stairs. I'm Parmita Katkar, your friend and image coach. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. You see that like button under this video? It's there for a reason. Hit it. Also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, Blush with me, Parmita. To work with me, my website is linked below, and I mentioned earlier the workshop link is below as well. What else is below? All my social media handles that you can follow me on. I look forward to your response and your suggestions in the comments below. Again, I want to thank you all for your constant support. It gives me great pride to hear that over the years, my channel has made a significant difference to all you women out there. I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.